Pizza fail. Sometimes it doesn't work out. And today we got our weird wild pizza fails. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Fail. Spam fail. Okay, right away, you know this ain't gonna go well. You don't need 2 cans of Spam for 1 pizza. Everyone knows that, but we went for it anyways. We should have known better. Cast iron pans, however, are the best thing to cook your meat in. Just make sure you cut your Spam a little thinner than we did. The Spam slices were so thick, they didn't even get a chance to crisp up on the sides. The texture was a little bit funny. Had some pretty high hopes the Spam would crisp up on the sides when it baked in the oven, but it did not. Just massive. These things are ridiculous. After cutting the Spam thinner and only using 1 can per pizza, it turned out a lot better. Spam fail. Check out the link below for our Spam pizza success. And if you're only here for the pizza fails, that's fine. I'm sure there'll be more. Pizza fail. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.